I want y'all to look at everybody else's truck. Everybody else's truck looking nice, clean. Now, yeah, I mean, everybody looking clean. Yeah, that could have been an old Snyder. Bumper gone though. Everybody looking nice and clean. Then you look here. You get to my baby. Like snot going all down the nose. Crust in his eyes. Can't even see the lights. That don't work. That's why one reason right there the truck drivers, the trucks that drive they self. That ice get on there and freeze it up, that system. See, I got crust in my eyes over here. That system get froze up like that, it don't work. So you got to have a truck driving the truck. Oh, this right here. That's when you know somebody ain't driving, boy. Drive that thing, boy. Yeah, we been getting on down. I don't know if I'm gonna change up my bumper. Give me a light right there. That's another light. A DOT can write me a ticket for. So I don't know. I might need that long. But yeah, man. I've been driving this week, boy. When I get to the house, I'm gonna have like 35 minutes left on my clock. If I even make it, I might not even make it. Never know. I might make it like 40 miles away. My old lady might have to come pick me up. Yeah, man, I've been driving this week, driving. I've been getting out there, baby. Hammer down. And that bank account gonna look right too, though. It's gonna be like, hey, I see what you out there doing. I see what you doing. I see you too. Alright, I'm gonna get you washed up and cleaned up though when we get home, baby. I'm gonna clean you up. Man, I wanna take my grill out and paint it gold and give my truck some gold teeth. Would I be wrong for giving my truck some gold teeth? 2 big gold teeth. Oh, I might have to make it be a smile, like they're probably two gold at the top and then all gold at the bottom. Might have to give it. I don't even know if I can paint like that on my grill though, on that little wire mesh. I don't know though. I might have to try that out. Call my truck Gold Mouth. Now I call my truck One Eye Willie. So you got that 1 eye over here. Yeah, I call it me and One Eye Willie be getting on down the road. This eye wide open, the other eye closed. Look at me, I'm just out here having fun, man. Having fun out here. I like that truck right there. That's a nice long truck. That's some trucks that you can have fun with. I mean, you can go home if you got a truck like that. But I plan on going home, so I don't need no truck like that. But I like it though. I like it. Alright, people. My marker light up there used to blank like it was going out. It done hung in there though. That was like over a year ago and it's blank. It done hung in. I think it healed up. I think it was sick. Had a paper cut. Now I done got back right. Yeah, people, I'm out here, man. I'm just having fun today. Historical week, goddamn. And I know it's gonna get even better after this, cause I see it's lining up. All that snot. All that snot on my. I need to go get a handkerchief for my truck and clean the nose up a little bit. Alright, people, I'm out of here, man. And the lady in the other truck looking at me like, what the hell is he doing? What the hell is he doing? She We had a little accident.